Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from my favorite spot, Tuesday Morning, of course. So I had to take some returns back, so I wanted to show you what I got in exchange for some of my return. Now, I did not plan on picking up any paper, but I'm going to tell you what I did get. I did get some, and I'll tell you why. This is 80-pound 12 by 12. Of course, it's a canvas style paper, but it's 80 pound. You don't really get the, at least I haven't found it in any of my stores here, AC Moore's, Michael's, Tuesday Morning, or Joann's. I don't ever see 12 by 12 in 110 cardstock. I see the 8.5 by 11, but never 110. And if you're really trying to make like a big basket or box or anything, you know, you would want to have something sturdier. So I did not anticipate in picking up any paper before. $1.99. You got 20 sheets, 12 by 12. When I calculated out the math, I was like, okay, that was a good deal. They had the 8.5 by 11 in several colors: the black, the white, the ivory, craft. It had several colors. But again, I wasn't trying to pick up any paper, but I decided, even though I could always use the 110 pound and the 8.5 by 11, I do have some of that already at home, and it's easy, more readily available. But getting the 12 by 12 and anything beyond, you know, paper weight, not even cardstock, but paperweight, you know, it's extremely difficult. So if you can even find one in 65, that's amazing. So most of the time it's 25. To be honest, most of your cardstock that you have is 25 for your 12 by 12. So 80 pound, I decided to get that because I would love to make some bigger boxes and things like that out of it, something more sturdy. So of course you can layer it, but it's nice to have that. So I got 2 of each of the color packs, and this is the I think it's just, I don't know if it's called spring soft pink, what's it called, soft side, and these are coordinations. So $1.99, and this is 210-5834. so that's the number you can call, the 1-800 hotline. Mine was out for a couple days, but it came back up, so we pray it stays up. But we know last year, I remember when I went to the store today, they had the corporate had decided to end it in the store, but hopefully they'll keep it up online. I don't know. Right now it's working. So for the craft, it is 210-5832. Again, 20 sheets at $1.99. So it's basically 10 for $1. And then I got the ivory, one ivory and one white. So the ivory, or off-white, or cream, excuse me, is called cream, 210-5836. And then the white, 210-5837. And then I got 2 of the primary colors. And do they call it that? It says Candy Shop. Alright, and that number is 210-5831. So again, that's great to have in your, just, well, solid colors are great to have anyway, but it was really nice to have some heavier weight cardstock. I did pick up another glam because this goes with my my giveaway stuff, as well as this. So this one is a 6x6 pad. I already have this, but I always picked up an extra one, and I'm sure you've probably seen this pad, but it's a nice girly pad. So that's the images there. And I picked up last week, I showed in the last haul, the stamp set. So I wanted them to go together as a giveaway. 207-4165. And I do mine random for no reason, and they're using that on craft hauls. I picked this up too, this Face Illustrated. This was this is to go to somebody when I do one of my racks. 209-4353. And I think I have this, but I picked it up because, you know, if you leave it, you might not see it again. This is a Fisker 11-piece stamp set, and it's 210-6321. And that's $3.99 with those birds, and Inspire, and Happiness, and Dream, and Crate. And if I didn't say so, this one was the Faith Illustrated, and it says Choose Happy, XO, Faith. And they had like 3 or 4 of those Faith Illustrated. I did pick this up. I was happy to find one of the stamp sets that actually matched the die set. I wasn't anticipating getting another die set or anything, but you know, it's nice to have both of them to go together. So I went on and got that so I could have, because I've gotten a few of her Sheena dies with the flowers, but I could never find a stamp set, so I want to have one that did work together. So for the stamp set, it's called Fanciful Fuchsia. 2097938, and it's $2.99 for 8-piece set. And I don't know if you can really tell what it looks like, but that's it. And this is the die set to go along with it for $4.99. I mean $5.99. 2097937. So that's those pieces, and that's those pieces. So they actually go together. So that was a good deal. I had several people ask me to find the tea, and I had been on the hunt looking for the tea. I have been trying to actually stand out of Tuesday morning, but I was looking for them for the tea. I had 3 people, and I'm sorry I have not found it anywhere. But in the process of looking for it, I did find the cupcake, which we've had that before, but I didn't pick it up, but I ended up getting it this time. 2097899. And again, these you can just use it as a stamp. You can stamp it out on the edge like this example here on a card, or you can use the other die and cut the whole entire item out. So you can use it several different ways. This was another one of the stamp sets by Crafty Companion, 7-piece. Again, my brother-in-law is a musician, so I just thought about him. And then also my grandson said he wanted to learn how to play the violin. We're going to see if he sticks with that or really wants to do it, but that's what he said. 2097893. My oldest son used to play the viola and the piano, but anyways, I just thought about, and then that's why I did that. I'm hoping to find a die to go along with it. And then I did get this, and it's another one somewhere. This clear stamp by Nola Blake for $1.49, which is really a great price. It says your special day with love on your, I think it's on your special day. Let me see. Party time, best wishes, yes. With love on your special day, happy birthday, celebrate, make a wish, fun presents, cake and friends. So just kind of sentiments for, you know, B-Day celebration. For $1.49, if you can find that, get it. 211-4373. You can't really beat that. I mean, to get that many pieces, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces. So for $1.49, great deal. I picked these up. No, I didn't need these because I can make these myself, but it just does help when you have some 3x3s already made. These are craft. So these, of course, are Sparkle & Company. So these were at some point at Joann's. $1.49 for 12 cards and 12 envelopes. 207-6284. 2 sets of those. And then I needed some envelopes just to keep in a hurry. My aunt has already put in another order. She wants a whole bunch of more cards. And she asked me about a month ago, and I got to get on that for her. Because I told y'all before, my aunt has like this card ministry, so I got to finish making those shaker cards that I got from Tuesday morning and get those to her and some other ones. 204-2220, and it's 50 of the A2, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So the envelope is 4.375 by 5.75. But if it's an A2 card, and for $2.99. And then I picked up these little tags, these confetti by who's it? Paisley. Yeah, these is 12 pieces, just little tags that you with the strings on them and say things like hello and different things. They were $1.19. 210-5859. And that's what the little tags look like. And then lastly, I had found all these Faith Illustrated the other day, and I just thought this was so cute. And I hadn't had a chance to do my video. I've been having this stuff over, I guess, about a week now. But I had April, it's just like I'm traveling every single week, and then the last week I got to be gone for a whole week. I wasn't going to complain because I'll be in Florida, but at a conference, so that'll be fun. But I've just been doing a lot of traveling, so I haven't had a chance to get my stuff up. But anyway, they were only 79 cents. So I bought these to, you know, throw in Happy Mail, or just, you know, my aunt can use some as well. But just to encourage people, they're by Faith Illustrated. There are postcards. And you can also use these as card fronts and decorate and embellish it even more. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I got. So they had 3 packs of these. Let Go and Let God. And it's 209-4382. So that's what you see on the front. It's a little bunny. And on the back, you can see the different ones. And it says, you can see them up here. And I just thought they were really cute sentiments. And like I said, these are postcards. And this one is called Animals. Those that believe are set free. You know, just got different things like that. Birthday stuff. Then this one is 209-4380. I'm praying that you have a happy day. And it's got some other stuff. Be strong and courageous. Have patience. So they've got different positive, encouraging, you know, some of them scripture, some are just positive messages, encouraging people, everybody going through something. So it's nice just to get an encouraging word instead of some hater, negative stuff. You know, 209-4384. Our family is one of God's masterpieces. You know, blessings, happy birthday. So just different little stuff like that. So I thought they would come in handy. So that is one of my Tuesday morning hauls. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.